Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to create a gradient in Adobe Illustrator to blend colors smoothly and add depth to your design. First, select the object you want to apply the gradient to. This can be a shape or text. Now, look at the right side panels. Click the Properties panel. Under Fill, click the Color box. Choose Gradient. Illustrator instantly applies a basic gradient. Next, click Window at the top menu. Then click Gradient. This opens the Gradient panel for full control. In the Gradient panel, choose the gradient type. Select Linear for straight color blends. Select Radial for circular blends. Now, adjust the color stops. Click a color stop below the gradient bar. Choose a new color from the color picker. Drag the stops to control how colors blend. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.